Nimesema asante sana, nimefurahi sana.
Kitaitano kianu ugakorwa kigira thingira wa iregi mwaka ukite thutha wa President Kenyatta kurikia wathani wake nikigite muteng'eri ungi Governor wa Machakos Dagitari Alfred Mutua. Mutua akiuga ni akinyitie ikiro cia gwathana bururi-ini, akiuga bururi uyu no nginya ucenjie.
We are at a turning point in our country. We have the ability to include all in the economic equation. This can only be done by widening the economic base. Very important, widening the economic base and bringing all aboard.
Mutongoria uyu wa kiama kia maendeleo Chapchap akiuga ni hindi ya kwambatiria ikiro cia miikarire ya Kenya giki arikio gitongoria gia kioneki giake.
Our country cannot be a country of wanyonge who marvel at helicopters. Wanashangilia helicopter, wanashangaa na helicopter, wanapigwa vumbi na helicopter, na huku mifuko wamesota, hawana hata shilingi, wako na njaa.
Magi Mutua areranira ni hamwe na kugashiria miturire ya andu ethi, kururumura wonjoria wa iganda, kugashiria ugima wa mwiri hamwe na ugiteri. Oho Mutua akiranira kuhurana na ungumania, kugashiria githomo na kugashiria tafarira cia ukuria.
We need to get our country back to the working nation spirit, but it needs to be work that rewards our efforts. Our youth, our mothers, our fathers need to be part of the system, the economic system, and not just spectators.
Magi ni hamwe na kugashiria maria maturigiceirie na kugashiria wiguano na mabũrũri manja, kugashiria mathako na ugendi.
Kenyans are overly taxed. As a president, I will harmonize county and national government taxes to stop double taxation and reduce income tax from 30% to 20%. And also reduce business taxes to a maximum of 25%.
Agi aria manireire magakorwo makimatha giturwa kiu ni hamwe na Governor Mwangi wa Iria, Speaker Justin Muturi, munini wa President William Ruto na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga uria utanyitwo kwanirira itua riake tariki 10 mweri uyu wa Dithemba. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, Jetagwo Martin Munene.